Hey guys, Marlon from Impress and Peters, and today we're going to talk about blue screens, black screens, and even if it stays stuck in the loop. So recently we'd had a lot of Microsoft updates going for the Windows operating system, and with the 1903 release, we've had a couple of customers come in the shop with the operating system getting stuck after getting the update. So whether you get a blue screen and it tells you, hey, we're going to go ahead and try and fix things for you, and then it'll give you a percentage. Now, after the 100% comes, if it gives you another blue screen, that means something's corrupted within the operating system. Or we've seen the cases where it'll load on the Windows, the black screen, and you get the Windows logo in there, and it's loading and loading and loading, and it doesn't go anywhere. So if you have that problem, we can take care of that for you. You will not lose any data. Everything will be like nothing happened. So if you have any problems on corruptions or operating system problems, please leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.